Hello my friend, and welcome back to another junk journal video. My name is Galit. I'm really excited to do another video about swap mails, and this time it's with Ann Van Etta, I think her name is. I just call her Ann, and I will link her channel down below. As you can see, just from the envelope, it is so beautiful. It just looks so pretty. And the envelope itself looks beautiful. I love the paper. Wow, it looks so much. Oh my gosh, Anne, you're amazing. Thank you so much. So yeah, this is the letter that she wrote. How sweet. Thank you so much. I'm already enjoying the package. It is beautiful and you packed so much. Thank you. So yeah, I'm just taking very carefully the washi tape out because I don't want to ruin everything. And this is another envelope. I'm just slowly pulling out the washies again. Oh my gosh, even this paper is beautiful. I love it. Oh, I love this card. Thank you so much. How beautiful it is. Oh, this is snippets of some scraps of paper and stuff like that. I really love these bundles of scraps of paper. I love making them and I love receiving them. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, the sheer papers are beautiful. Thank you, Anne, so much. They are gorgeous. Aw, this page is so beautiful. Thank you. And I love this blue sheer mesh paper, I think. I love this card as well. Aw, this tag looks so cute. I love the ephemera so much, and thank you. Another gorgeous card. Aw, these are so cute. Thank you. I love it. I love this sheer one. It is so beautiful. How cute are these? Now I'm trying to very carefully open this package as well. I love this paper, and she collaged this as well. Thank you so much. It looks so beautiful. It looks like an old ledger paper. This is beautiful, just beautiful. Oh, this is so cute. This is beautiful. I love this. Thank you. Oh my gosh, she added stickers as well. These are so cute. And oh my god, I just noticed it's by her. Thank you, Anne. Thank you so much for sending me your stickers. These look beautiful. Beautiful vintage page. Wow, it looks beautiful and so delicate. Another ledger paper, and oh my gosh, she put another one of these mashed blue paper, and wow, I've never had an embossed paper. It looks so beautiful. This is a fabric sticker, I think, and it's beautiful brown with the pinkish flowers. More stickers of labels, so pretty. And oh my gosh, I love numbers. I love anything with numbers on it apparently, and these look beautiful. Thank you so much, Anne, for sending me these. I love them. Wow. And this is, I think, an dictionary page and some book page. So beautiful. This is like a ledger paper. I love that. Another snippet of a ledger paper. And wow, this looks very delicate and very vintage. Oh my gosh, and thank you so much for sending me this ledger paper. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I never thought I would get so many things. Thank you. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful as well. Also very delicate, and it looks vintage. Just beautiful. I've never owned any vintage things at all. Another fabric sticker, both of them, and they look so beautiful. This is a postcard. And oh my gosh, Harper's Lodge. I love the snowy mountain at the background. It's so beautiful. Another snippet of what seemed like a vintage paper, a ledger. Wow, I love that. Thank you so much. And again, you're gonna hear me saying oh my gosh and wow a lot, because I was in complete awe when I opened her package. I've never even seen stuff like that. I don't own anything like that. Oh my gosh, look at this vintage picture with a car. It's just gorgeous. Wow. Oh my gosh, and these pockets are so beautiful. Wow. I'm pulling out stamp, which is so cute. I love the color. And these flowers, wow. I love the labels. Wow, so many tickets. Thank you. And this beautiful image. Oh my gosh, Anne packed so many tickets. my god, this map is so beautiful. And more stickers. Wow. With letters. Thank you. Oh, these are so beautiful. These cards are so beautiful. And even more stickers. Oh my gosh. It's a perforated paper. It looks so delicate and beautiful, and there are more. Oh my god, with stamps on it. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. Oh wow, wow. This tag, oh my gosh. I just never seen anything like that. It's gorgeous. More tickets. Oh wow. These are so beautiful. And thank you. Oh, I think I have this one in black and white, which I printed out from Pinterest. Oh my gosh. Oh, more label cards, tickets. Oh wow. Another beautiful plant, oranges I think. Oh wow, what a beautiful bright ticket. More cards. Oh, this looks so gorgeous. Oh, these birds. Oh my gosh. Anne, thank you. Don't crush. Oh. Gorgeous tickets. Oh wow. Wow, Anne, thank you. Another image of a young woman. Oh my gosh, so many tickets. Another postage stamp and another label. And more beautiful stamped papers. Wow. Wow, and oh my gosh, I was in complete awe all the time. You packed so much in this little envelope. I was in complete shock. Wow. And thank you so much for putting all these beautiful ephemeras and pages and labels and tags inside. Oh my gosh. I know I will have lots of ephemera and pages that I can use in my junk journal. Thank you, Anne. Thank you so much again. Everything is just wow. It's just wow. I don't have any other words but wow. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Anne, again, and thank you all so much for joining me to this video. I'm sorry I haven't posted anything on Saturday. Life just been really crazy right now, and the heat is unbearable, and sadly my craft room doesn't have an aircon, so I'm pretty much dead every time I'm going out there. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I loved unpacking this package, and thank you so much for the swap mail, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.